The industrial pad mount transformer from Larson Electronics offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in indoor, outdoor, and public locations. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. An enclosed design caters to installations on concrete pads without protective fencing. This industrial transformer features a dual-rated primary voltage of 3-phase 4160Y and 2400 grounded Wye, and a secondary voltage of 3-phase 480-volt delta. An input voltage switch allows the transformer to be switched between primary voltages. The unit has a primary loop feed for single installations and dead front primary connections. The tank and housing on this unit are fabricated from steel, while the front electrical enclosure carries a NEMA 3R rating. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.